Hey guys, this is the Ivation Innovation with a Purpose. It is a pressure washer and it comes with the pressure washer, a spray wand, turbo spray wand, 5 nozzles, a spray gun, and the high pressure hose. So we've got it set up right here and it's 2200 PSI, and my husband's going to tell you a little bit about it.
Okay, so a lot of the things, you have your inlet for the water hose right back here and stuff. There's a fitting that has to go on your water hose, and then it slides back in order to get on. You have to make sure it goes on. It doesn't click or anything. You'll feel it actually run right over the actual fitting itself. The outlet's on this side right here. Here's everything else on there. Biggest couple things is when you get everything connected, there's a safety switch underneath here, or a locking switch underneath here, that when you put the hose through here, you have to lock it or the pressure is going to build up and spew all out. And that's by experience, as you can see. All right, when you get everything going, you actually turn it on. It doesn't make a humming sound like any other pressure washer or anything else that you hear as it builds up pressure. The only way it goes is that this is a safety switch. When you get the safety off, pressure is built up and it goes on from there. So it is a real quiet one, real quiet part of it as well. So that took me a minute on it.
All right,
this is the 40-degree nozzle that's on top of it. You see, we just moved into the house, so we're just trying to get mud out of it.
Okay guys, this is the 0-degree nozzle. It just shoots a straight stream. Okay, so you see the difference in color of the driveway from all the red mud. And this is just the 0-degree, spraying all of the red mud out of our driveway. So 0-degree nozzle works really well, and we'll show you the 15-degree nozzle here in just a minute. Okay, so I wanted to show the different nozzles. This is the 25-degree nozzle that he has on there right now, and it's got a much better spray than the 40. But yeah, overall, very, very nice product. I'm actually really impressed with the quality. At first, with it being so quiet, we thought it wasn't turned on until we actually hit the switch to spray it, and then we heard it power on. So it's only loud when you're holding the sprayer. When you release the nozzle, it goes quiet. So overall, very, very nice product. I'm very glad I had the opportunity to review this. Thank you so much for watching my video.